Okay, Super Bloom, Silent Planet. I know their album, Super Bloom. This is the title track, I guess. I know the album came out. I've only heard one song by Silent Planet, and that was Antimatter, which we checked out the last time we streamed. I actually really love that song. I really do. So let's check out the title track. It's 5 minutes long. I'm pretty sure Antimatter was kind of like an experimental song for these guys, just based off what I've heard about people talking about that song. So maybe this is also experimental for them, or it's more of their normal stuff. Yo, Reb, let me know if the audio and stuff is good. I like the cleans. That's a vibe. He has very monotone cleans. Is there two vocalists? I think there is. I love the drumming. I like how upbeat the drumming is in the chorus. This video is also very different from Antimatter. Ooh, that's very eerie. Ooh, I like that. That bass is nice. Ooh. Ooh, that drum fill. Oh, don't blue ball me. Ooh. Me of The Devil Wears Prada. That was chill. I liked that the like breakdown was like chill. It fit the vibe of the song. Really cool video. I like that. Definitely like Antimatter more, obviously, because it's more my style. But this was neat. Is this like their normal sound, or is this also kind of experimental? This kind of felt like a synthwave metalcore like ballad. I'd like to check out more of their stuff because I assume they're usually a heavier band.